Hello everyone, so this is the review for the first ordering worksheet that you're going to do. So this is going over the pre-order, in-order, and post-order of this graph, this tree. And then we're going to do the code for the pre-ordering, right? So let's look at this first one, pre-order. Remember that's current node, so the root, the left, and then the right. So in our answer here, we're going to do the root first, which is 13. Then we're going to go left to the 8 and print out that root, and then go left to the 4, print out that root, then go left to the 1, print out that root, and then come back up to the 4 and do what's right of that, which is the 5. Go back up to the 4, we're done with the 4, go back up to the 8 and do what's to the right of that, which is the 9. Go back up to the 8, we're done with the 8, we've done what's to the left, we've done what's to the right, we're going to go back up to the 13 and then go to the right of that, which is the 26. Go to the left, which is the 15. We're done with this subtree, so we go back up to the 26 and then go down to the 27. Done with this subtree, go back to the 26. We've printed everything to the left and right, so we go back up to the 13. We've printed everything in the tree, so this is the pre-order or prefix notation for printing out this tree. So we go down to the next thing. We want to do the same tree, but in order notation. So again, we start at the 13. We want to go left, left, all the way down to the left until we get to the 1 here. Print out that 1, then go back up to the 4, then go to the right and print out the 5, then go back up to the 4. We're done with this subtree, go up to the 8, then go down to the 9, back up to the 8. We're done with this subtree, so we go up to the 13, print out the 13 because that's the current node. We've done everything to the left, and we now need to do the current or root node here. Then we go down to the right, print out, or go to the left of the rightmost thing. So we have 15. Go back up to the 26, print that out because we've done everything to the left, and then we can go to the right and print out the 27. Right? So, then we return to the 26, we've done everything here, we return to the 13, and we've done everything for the tree. So that's the in order ordering printout of the same tree. Finally, we get to the post order or postfix ordering of the tree. So we're going to go all the way to the left, 13, 8, 4, 1, print out that 1. Then come back up to the 4 and go down to the 5. Now we go back up to the 4, we've done everything to the left, we've done everything to the right, so it's time to print out the 4. Go back up to the 8 and then down to the 9. Go back up to the 8 and print it out since we've done everything to the left and to the right of it. Go back up to the 13 and then down to the right and then down to the left. Now we print out our 15. Back up to the 26 and down to the right and we get a 27. Back up to the 26, we've done everything to the left and right of the 26, so we get to print it out now. And then go back up to the 13, we've done the entire left subtree, the entire right subtree, and we get to print out the root at the very end. Right, so that's the post-order, post-fix ordering of this tree. All right, so let's see if we can do the first one here, the pre-order method. How do we write this out? So we have public void pre-order, and we take in the current node. So this is going to be a recursive function. So we're only taking in the current node, we're not returning anything, we're just printing the thing out. So the first thing we do, we check if the node is empty. If current is null, then we're just going to return here. If it's not null, oh no, I didn't make this paragraph thing. All right, if it's not null, we're going to display the data. So we're going to say system out.print line, and then current.get num. I'm assuming there's a get num because I see this node class. I have a left and a right, or left and a right, and I have an int num. So I'm going to print out that get num method and print that out as the first thing I do here. And then I'm going to go to the left subtree. So I'm going to call preorder on left, or current.get left. And then I'm going to semicolon. Right, this should also have been a semicolon. It should be new lines, but I can't do new lines right now. It'll be changed in your version and the subsequent versions, but for now. So I've done this display. I've printed out that node. I've gone to the next thing on the left, and now I also want to call this preorder method on current.get right. And that's going to the right subtree on this side of the node, right? So I do those 4 things, check if it's null. If it is, I return. Otherwise, I print it out, print out the value, I go to the left, and I go to the right recursively, right? So that's how you do the pre-order code and how you order these things. Look at the next worksheet to practice these skills. And I will see you in the video reviewing that worksheet.